have had a lot of questions recently about why do I have to use the LumiSpa cleanser with the LumiSpa device? So to answer that question, let me explain just a couple of things first. This device has patented micro-oscillation technology. What that means is these two little circles turn in opposite directions. Now the reason why that is important is because the studies show that that oscillation, micro-oscillation in the different directions, causes this to connect with the skin, grip it, and tug it just a little bit. Now the reason why that is important is the clinical studies show that gripping and tugging the skin just a little bit causes a stimulation of the skin that helps to promote that volume and density that is so important in youthful looking skin. The second thing to note is viscosity. Viscosity simply means the texture of a cleanser, if it's thick, if it's thin. So when we developed this device, we actually wanted to pair it with a couple of our very popular new skin cleansers, like the 180 face wash, one of our most highest loyalty products. It's got vitamin C. People just love how it feels on their skin. However, it has a very thick viscosity. That's a problem because this surface treatment doesn't have the ability to reach the skin and grip it and tug it enough to cause that stimulation. Now on the other side of the spectrum, our most popular anti-aging cleanser is the AgeLOC Foaming Gentle Cleanse and Tone. That one is a very thin viscosity to it because it's a foaming cleanser, clearly. What that means is this surface is going to grip the skin and tug it too much, which could be irritating to the skin, damaging to the skin, especially if it's a sensitive skin type, and it can even accelerate the rate of aging. So it's important to have a cleanser that's not too thick, one that's not too thin, one that's just right, kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So we specifically designed this cleanser to have the right viscosity to allow this to grip the skin just right, let it go, and stimulate the skin to help promote that volume and the density that helps us to target that youthful looking skin. Now one other just little side note is this device is also excellent at exfoliating those upper, dead, flat, old looking layers of skin. And by doing that, it is revealing plumper, more youthful layers of skin. If the cleanser's too thick, you're not going to get as much exfoliation to see the softening and smoothing benefit. If it's too thin, it might be irritating for a sensitive skin type. So again, even for the softening and smoothing benefits, you want the right viscosity to the cleanser. So enjoy your LumiSpa device with the right AgeLOC LumiSpa cleanser and experience the benefits of more youthful looking, soft, smooth skin. Thanks everyone.